Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create rolling end credits on CapCut PC. So add in text to your track. I'm just going to make it kind of long, maybe like 13-14 seconds. And you're just going to type in the names, of course. I'm just going to copy and paste a bunch of these real quick so that it's quicker for me to do the tutorial. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to add in a keyframe and transform here. You're going to place it down, but still placing it in the center. At the end, you're going to want to bring all the text up here and make sure it's hidden and in the middle too. If it's still too fast, you can just adjust it by making it longer and moving the keyframe. Then you can also import like a black stock video, freeze frame that. And we're going to use the masking tool to create a more like cinematic look. We're going to use the mirror one and we're going to reverse it and we're going to make it like this. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.